Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys the Canon wireless shutter remote control. So here's what the package looks like. So let's open it up. So I got this from Phototech. So they gave me a little pouch along with the shutter remote control. Let's open the box. Okay, so here it is. There's your Canon remote control. It's got two buttons, one for the shutter, and you got one here on the back. You have this button is for the shutter speed, on how fast you want your shutter to immediately react. So you got 2-second and immediate shutter. Alright, so here is the Amazon basic shutter remote control. It is much smaller, but the thickness is a little bit thicker. So it's got only one button, and you don't have the option for instant shutter. So let's take this plastic out and we'll test it out. Okay, so to activate this, what you have to do is you have to go to the drive mode, and you can select either the 10-second mode or the 2-second mode. Okay, so press that. Now it's activated. So when you use the remote control, make sure you point at the infrared in front of the camera to activate it. We'll point at the camera, and then all you have to do is just press the button. Okay, so make sure you point at the infrared when you press the button. Again. Alright.